Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me for the week of September 27th through the 30th. So just to give you a reminder of my spread for the week of September 17th through the 23rd, this is the one with Mr. Master Plan helped me with. So that's a reminder how that looked. And this week we are going to jump in and get right on it. So this is the last week of September. Woo! Where is the time going? Where is the time going? Okay. So I've decided to use a kit from Sarah Elizabeth Plans. And this is a fall kit, but it's not your typical type of fall kit, okay? And by that, I mean the colors, there are some oranges, but, and this is called the Country Chic Mini Kit. So we have glitter headers here. There's like blush, this pink, this cobalt, and orange. And then these fall florals here, weekend banner, little icons. We have some weekly box heart checklist, half box, and then these little heart checklists with 3 things on them. Then bills due here, hydration stickers. This one has date covers and bottom washies. So I'm not going to use all of this. And then this is the decor stickers. So I'm going to use a combination of the kit and most definitely some Happy Planner stickers if I need to. So I'm going to start by putting my date covers on, my date headers. And, well, those dates are peeking through. So let me think about what I can do for that. Now for washi tape, I've selected this beautiful Simply Gilded in this patriotic blue, but I thought it would complement it just right. And guess what? I think I can. I just need to cover up the actual dates, and I'm going to use my Tombow correction tape. I don't like how that did. Okay, much better. All right, let's lay this washi tape down here and just kind of see how it's gonna look. And I'm gonna lay it this way. Just to cover up that, just to cover up the whiteout that we had on the page. So we have this like that, and then we can stop right here. Okay. I think this is going to be really cute. I am excited about the little color scheme. Okay. And I'm going to grab my handy dandy tweezers, and we're going to go ahead and get our dates covers put down. And you guys know that I do not like no white space, so we are definitely going to be able to reuse this kit in another setting. I love how that blue washi tape just kind of complements everything. So we're going to cover this, okay? And we're going to do the same thing, which is turn it upside down, and I think, let's see, we will be fine with running it right here. And I'm sorry if you guys hear the printer going in the back. I am printing reception invitations because my mother is hosting a reception for my daughter in our hometown for family and friends that were unable to make it here in Charlotte, as it was relatively a short notice. That is kind of crooked. I'm gonna turn these upside down so I can put those on the right way. And guys, I really like these stickers from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. She does run specials from time to time, and I ordered these from her on Etsy. Okay, so I put the dates. I put Saturday on Fridays and Fridays on Thursdays, so we're just gonna peel it up and put everything where it goes in its proper place. And I think I am going to have to move this washi down just a tad bit because it's not where it's supposed to be. Let's see. Let's see, let's get the Sunday down and we can see how things are gonna be. It's like, yeah, that's gonna have to come over and washi tape is going to have to come down and we're gonna have to put some more correction tape down. So let's hope it doesn't rip all the washi tape up. All the white out up. All right, so let's. All right. The goal is to lay the same washi tape down. I have to move this Friday because it does not belong here. Come on. And her stickers actually come up pretty easily. Okay. Let's see if we can get this Friday there, right? And let's see how we can lay Thursday because there's some gaps, but I think these stickers are designed for maybe the Erin Condren. So gonna come off screen to fix this one. Gonna have to have a come to Jesus meeting with this sticker. Okay, so, and come up. A little further down. There we go. Okay, nope. Guys, I just don't know what's going on with these stickers. Now we got them on Friday again. Oh, that is not good. And I do not have Mr. Master Plan to open my undo. Because we know last time I tried to use it, it acted crazy on me. I'm going to need you to do right. Okay. Okay, those two are better. I want to bring this Sunday over just a hair because of the white space that's in between. There's supposed to be, but I don't think not this much that I got right there. Okay, so we're going to bring him in just a hair. Let us see how that worked. Not that great, but it's okay. Y'all know this is that exclusive. That Simply Gilded is that exclusive. So if you hear me talk about my exclusive washi tape, I'm totally talking about my Simply Gilded. So we're gonna try to put that back down. Okay. I think it's cute. All right, so I wanted to try, I never really used glitter headers in my Happy Planner, I don't think. So I don't really like how this this pink looks, but I think I would really like how the blue and the purple and the orange looks on here. So let's just try those two, at least for, we'll alternate the rows. And let's see how I do. And let's see if they fit. They may not even fit. Well, yeah, boo. They fit. Just about. I mean, if I could lay them straight, they would fit probably. Okay, let's see. Okay. And we are going to alternate them. And then we're going to put Happy Gilded, Simply Gilded there. And then we'll put the glitter headers on the next one. Okay. I'm almost tempted to go ahead and put it down, use all of them, because but they just don't look good with this to me. It doesn't look horrible. All right, we'll try them. So I think that's so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. So I need to put the dates here. So there are our dates. And I want to use Simply Gilded here to cover this. Here, go right on here, and we are going to really, yes, absolutely gorgeous. I just love how vibrant that blue is and how it is working with these stickers. Okay, so we are actually going to, on the bottom portion here, we're going to mimic the same pattern with these headers as we did on the other ones. Okay? So. After laying the headers down, I grabbed the weekend banner there. It's a plaid weekend banner, and I put that down. And I begun laying the stickers from the kit as well as the colorful boxes, Happy Planner sticker book, and the student, the latest student seasonal book. There was some fall stickers there, pumpkin spice, everything, a couple of leaves that I put on the sidebar, and full box decor stickers from this country chic sticker kit. So as you see, the combination, the color combo with those pops of blue throughout, they're just spot on. It just looks awesome. But you guys know I've tried to do spreads without my colorful boxes sticker book, and it just doesn't work, and this spread is no different. So I'm going to finish laying the stickers down, and then we'll be right back to talk through exactly what we did. I think that is all I kind of want to put on this spread. I think that it has just enough of everything. That was from a phone call I had to make. I think that what I want to do down here, did I put, yeah, instead of this checklist, I've removed for the millionth time. Let's put this little to-do box right here because I think it will look pretty nice with that. All right, and if we want a checklist, we'll put our checklist right here. Here we go. Yes, we'll put our checklist. Let's straighten it up a little bit though. Y'all know I can't stand no skinny checklist. Crooked checklist. All right. I think that is it, Miss Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I love that kit. I love how the patriotic washi tape worked well with it, and we still have plenty of stickers to even do another spread. So I really like that part of it. Now that the stickers are all done and everything came together rather nicely, we are going to grab our LOL pen and start putting some plans down here. And typically, for some reason, as I'm starting to jot down plans, I always grab extra stickers and add to the spread somehow, as I just did with that lovely blue sticker that came from the Sarah Elizabeth Plans kit. And then, of course, colorful boxes. No spread is complete without those, so of course I had to add some more of them on there. Now we are all done with the plans for next week. For right now, this is my plans for the week of 9/24 to 9/30. And once again, I'll be traveling for work. This kit came from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It's called Country Chic, and I absolutely love it. I think it's cute. Oh my goodness, I have that exclusive washi tape by Simply Gilded thrown down here, and used a pen from LOL. If you enjoyed this plan with me, please give me a thumbs up. And ladies, and if there's any gentlemen out there, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. In addition, I need you to click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload new content. And finally, if you're not following me over at Instagram, hop on over there. I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'd love to hear any comment or any dialogue that you have. Well, I hope your fall is off to a great start. I'll tell you, here in North Carolina, it is not. It is still hot here, but I really wanted to use this kit last week, but because I let Mr. Master Plan pick my stickers, I just postponed it to this week, and it turned out great. Okay, guys, well, I'm off to travel with work, so I will be super busy next week. I hope you guys have a productive and busy week. Ciao, Bella.